What's up, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best dog foods, and I've made this list based on recipe quality, amount of nutrients, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for something organic, affordable, or a high-quality formula with premium ingredients, we'll have the best dog food for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for reasonably priced dog food that packs in a lot of vital nutrients and offers plenty of bang for your buck, the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula is my choice as the best dog food for the money. Not everyone can afford the highest quality dog food on the market, and the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula is an inexpensive dog food that comes with plenty of protein, carbohydrates, and vitamins to help keep your dog healthy. I like that it comes in a variety of flavors, so you can easily find a suitable option for your pet. The primary ingredient in the meal is meat, which is essential to help keep your dog strong, and it offers chicken, white fish, and lamb varieties depending on your pet's preference. It's also nice that it uses high-quality ingredients and doesn't contain poultry byproduct meals, corn, wheat, soy, and artificial flavors or preservatives. Even more, the formula has antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals specifically picked by animal nutritionists to help maintain a healthy immune system, support your dog's life stage needs, and maintain an optimal oxidative balance. It mixes in brown rice, other whole grains, fruits, and veggies, or you can opt for a grain-free version. It also contains important fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6, which help to promote healthy skin and keep your dog's coat shiny. You can get it in several different formulas depending on your dog's age, including a puppy mix with ARA and DHA acids to help young dogs with cognitive functions and retinal health, a full-grown mix with the essential proteins and carbs, and a senior formula with glucosamine to help support joint health. While it might not offer the same high-end ingredient list as the Taste of the Wild dog food, the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula is a solid option that can help support your dog's health for a decent price. If you're shopping around on a budget and want a quality dog food with a respectable amount of protein, this might be the ideal option for you. For anyone who's looking for a high-quality wet dog food that uses protein as a main ingredient at a decent price, the Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipes dog food is my choice as the best wet option in 2022. With its solid range of flavor choices, animal-sourced protein to support lean muscle mass, all-natural formula, and added vitamins, the Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipes wet dog food helps provide a solid, balanced diet without breaking the bank. Unlike the previously mentioned Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula, it comes in a wet, pâté-style formula that can be served by itself or with dry kibble for added nutrition and flavor, though it tends to have a shorter shelf life than dry options. It primarily uses natural protein from real animals like chicken or lamb to help support lean muscle, joints, and overall health, and the formula doesn't contain unnecessary fillers, artificial flavors or preservatives, wheat, soy, or byproduct meals to fit into most diets. I also like that it's more affordable than most other high-end canned dog foods, so you get plenty of bang for your buck. The formula also contains an ample number of vitamins and minerals from natural sources to help promote a healthy lifestyle. Like most other options on this list, it's also available in specific recipes depending on your dog's age, such as a puppy-oriented formula with omega-rich DHA for eye and brain development, an adult formula, and a senior formula with added glucosamine and chondroitin to help older dogs with joint health and mobility. The Blue Buffalo Homestyles Recipe wet dog food is the best wet option around because of its impressive ingredient list, preservative-free formula, and relatively affordable cost per can. I would recommend this if your dog prefers wet foods and you want an option that can help maintain your pup's health at a cost-effective price. Some pet owners might be looking for a high-quality dry dog food that provides solid value for the price and a formula with several nutritious superfoods. The Diamond Naturals All Life Stages is my choice as the best dry dog food in 2022. Diamond Naturals has a few solid offerings to choose from, and their All Life Stages blend is a versatile dog food that uses real animal protein meal, fruits, and veggies as primary ingredients to help maintain your dog's health across various life stages. This dry dog food doesn't contain cheap additional fillers like corn, wheat, soy, and artificial flavors or preservatives, which makes it ideal for dogs with sensitive stomachs or wheat allergies. The formula has real cage-free chicken, lamb, or pasture-raised beef as the #1 ingredient, so you can be sure that the protein is natural and provides comprehensive, holistic nutrition. While the recipe relies more heavily on grains than other options on this list, it also contains canine strain probiotics and prebiotic fibers like the higher-end Taste of the Wild to help support digestion. It's rich in high-nutrition superfoods like kale, chia seeds, pumpkin, blueberries, and coconut to give your dog essential vitamins, phytonutrients, minerals, and antioxidants to help keep your dog healthy. Despite its high-quality formula, it also offers solid value per bag, which makes it ideal for families with multiple dogs of different ages, although the natural ingredients are relatively susceptible to mold and should be kept in an airtight container for preservation. Even more, it contains vitamin E, selenium, and omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. The Diamond Naturals All Life Stages doesn't have the protein content of the Taste of the Wild we'll mention later, but it's a great all-around option that's rich in superfoods, vitamins, antioxidants, and added probiotics. If you're looking for a dog food that can accommodate almost any canine regardless of age, offers all the essential nutrients, and uses an all-natural formula, this might be the ideal food for your pup. Next up, we have a dog food that's made from premium ingredients and offers an outstanding mixture of protein and additional nutrients. The Taste of the Wild is my choice as the best overall dog food in 2022. Grain-free formulas tend to be higher in protein than traditional recipes, and the Taste of the Wild uses high-quality animal protein sources and only adds necessary grains to keep your dog healthy. It comes in a range of unique flavors, and you can get specific formulas for adult canines and puppies to support your dog's different life stage needs. It's made from several easily digestible ingredients, and unlike other options that use vegetable protein substitutes, it contains 32% animal-based protein to support bones, joints, muscles, and provide a wider range of vital amino acids. The formula contains buffalo sourced from the United States, lamb meal, beef, and venison, and it omits any unnecessary grains, fillers, corn, wheat, and artificial flavors or colors, though some dogs might not prefer the meat-heavy flavor and the carb content is somewhat high. It also provides vitamins and minerals from fruits and superfoods, an abundance of omega fatty acids to help promote healthy skin and fur, and antioxidants to boost your pet's immune system. In contrast to cheaper options like the Blue Buffalo homestyle recipes, you get a proprietary blend of healthy bacteria, which includes a list of prebiotic fibers and species-specific probiotics that are specifically designed to help with canine digestion and overall health. The Taste of the Wild is the best overall dog food on the market because of its outstanding nutrient list, high-quality ingredients, and higher protein concentration than the previously mentioned options. This is an ideal option if you can afford to spend a bit more and want to give your dog a formula that replicates the traditional diet of its canine ancestors without sacrificing nutrients. If you're looking for a convenient dog food subscription service that delivers fresh, high-quality food to your home for a decent price, The Farmer's Dog is my choice as the best fresh dog food subscription service in 2022. The Farmer's Dog subscription service is a convenient option that comes with a formula that's been approved by board-certified veterinarians, customizable plans to fit your dog's unique needs, and human-grade ingredients. While selecting a plan and answering all the necessary questions about your dog's breed, age, activity level, and weight goals can be somewhat time-consuming, it allows you to pick an optimal plan for your pet regardless of their age or life stage. The formula was approved by board-certified vets and features human-grade ingredients such as USDA beef, sweet potatoes, lentils, carrots, kale, and more, so you can be sure your dog is receiving healthy, vital, high-quality nutrients. Unfortunately, the $2 a day subscription cost is pricier than the non-subscription options we mentioned, but it has a free 2-week trial period and lets you cancel or pause at any time for greater flexibility. Like the previously mentioned dog foods, it's free from powders like chicken meal, natural or artificial preservatives, and overly processed brown pellets, although it does require some space in your fridge or freezer to remain fresh. I also like that it has environmentally friendly packaging and biodegradable insulation in each box, so you won't cause unnecessary waste after each bag is empty. It's also fortified with enough fish oil, antioxidants, and vitamins to exceed the AAFCO recommendations and provide several health benefits. The farmer's dog is more expensive than the other options on this list, but you pay for quality, and it features class-leading human-grade ingredients that deliver superior holistic nutrition to the previously mentioned dog foods. If you don't mind spending a bit more on a convenient subscription and want to give your dog all the fresh, essential nutrients to remain healthy, this might be the ideal choice for you.